You say you want change, you want purpose, discipline, peace. But here's what nobody tells you. You can't upgrade your life while staying the same person. Because life doesn't respond to your wants. It responds to your identity. And if you keep showing up as the version of you that's just trying to survive, you'll never become the one who's ready to build. You can hustle all day, but if your mindset stays the same, your life will too. And deep down, you already know that. Think about it. How many days have you lived on autopilot? Same morning, same scroll, same shift. You call it routine. But what if it's something worse? What if it's numbness, disguised as normal? You're not stuck in life. You're stuck in character, still running the same script, expecting a different ending. You keep replaying old habits, hoping for a new result, but all you get is burnout. Same patterns, same pain, because nothing inside is shifting. And that's why nothing outside is. So here's the real question. If I filmed your life for the last 6 months, would the trailer look like progress or a loop? Because loops don't change you, they drain you. You react the same way to every challenge. You shut down, get mad, pull back, not because you're broken, but because your identity is outdated. It's not about motivation, it's about pattern interruption. And if your patterns don't change, your outcomes won't either. And here's what nobody wants to admit. You're not afraid of hard work. You're afraid of what changing might cost you. You're scared it will mean outgrowing people. Scared of becoming someone your old world doesn't recognize. But what's the alternative? Staying small just to keep others comfortable? Carrying dead weight because you're afraid to walk alone? Protecting their comfort while sacrificing your calling? You think comfort is keeping you safe, but what if it's the reason you can't breathe? Growth feels like dying because a version of you is the one who blamed the world, the one who numbed out instead of leveling up. That version, it doesn't make it to the next chapter. And that's not a loss, that's a rebirth. The pain isn't punishment, it's proof you're stepping into someone new. And here's the truth most people never face. Your dream life already exists, but it's not coming to find this version of you. You have to become the person it's built for. That means dropping the habits, the excuses, the fake logic that kept you safe, but also kept you stuck. It means making decisions your old self would have avoided, doing things that scare you because staying the same scares you more. Still think you need more time? Still believe you'll get serious next week? Next week turns into next year, and next year turns into never. That illusion is how most people waste decades. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You need a shift. And it starts with how you see yourself, not someday, not when you feel ready. Change begins the second you decide to stop lying to yourself. Here's your final reality check. You're afraid of failing, but have you ever asked yourself, what if the real pain is doing nothing? Because that's what will haunt you. Not the risk, not the setback, but the quiet ache of never becoming who you were meant to be. The regret that shows up when you're alone, asking if this is all there is. The voice that says, you had more in you, and you let it sit there. So what now? You gonna scroll past this like it didn't call you out? Wait for next time? Let this fire burn out in 10 minutes? Or are you finally done holding yourself back? Or is this the moment you draw a line? One shift, one choice, no more waiting for life to change. Because nothing changes until you do. If this hit, then hit subscribe. Not for me, for you. This channel's built for people who are done playing small. For the version of you that refuses to stay stuck in the same place they outgrew. Before you watch another video, drop "I'm ready" in the comments. And answer this. What's one action you're taking this week toward the version of you that doesn't quit? Say it, own it, then move. If you're ready to break cycles and build something real, you're in the right place. There are more videos waiting on this channel. Each one is a tool to help you get there. Use them. And if you're ready to start building yourself so quietly that no one notices until you're suddenly unstoppable, that's exactly what I cover in the next video.